Hey guys, I'll be going over how to get all the design files onto your local computer before you start designing for the Federalist. On the Federalist, we store everything on Google Drive, so one of the best practices before starting on any project is to download all the design files and all the necessary documents onto your local computer. So I'm going to select everything by just clicking with left click and drag. I'm going to right click and then press download. You can see on the bottom right side of the screen, it's starting to zip all the files. This is a process where the Google Drive is compressing down everything into a zipped folder for a lighter weight transaction in downloading files onto your local computer. When this dialog box comes up, I want you to press leave, and this is going to progress the transaction of downloading the files. Here I've already designated a file in my D drive to save these files, and I'm going to press enter or save to save that zipped folder. At the bottom left hand of the screen here, you can see that my zipped folder has finished downloading. I'm going to press show in folder. That's going to open it up where I put it in the D drive. I'm going to right click and I'm going to press extract all. It's going to default to the file path that we already downloaded it in, and we can press extract. And you can see that I've already got all of my design files. So I can double click here and check to make sure that all the things match up. I have all of the design files, and then also I have all of the articles that if I want to reference on my local computer at any time, I can. So just a quick recap, what we went over is 3 things. All of our design files are stored on Google Drive for the Federalist. For downloading, we're going to be zipping the folders off of Google Drive onto the local computer. Be sure to press that dialog box leave to progress the transaction. And then third, we want to get everything on our local computer, so if Google Drive goes down or if we're working on our files in an offline area, let's say a park or a car with no Wi-Fi, we're still able to push out our work with no problem.